guys, it's Melissa. In this video, we are going to get to the bottom of what you actually need when you are starting with sublimation. Okay, so you have your sublimation printer, whichever one you picked, which if you haven't watched that video on the best printer for you, you might want to check that out as well. Now that you've decided on the printer, what else do you need? Supply-wise, you can get more or less. So let's talk about it. At the very basics, you are going to need ink for your printer. You are going to need sublimation paper, and you are going to need some type of heat source, a heat press, or a convection oven. So I have right here my tumbler press, which would be obviously used for tumblers or mugs. I would also recommend, however, if you are planning to do flat items, whether that are things like coasters or shirts, you are also going to want a heat press. So a heat press an 8-in-1 heat press is a really good option because it gives you the ability to do flat items like we talked about. It gives you the ability to do mugs and tumblers, hats, and things like plates, other sublimation blanks that you wouldn't be able to do otherwise, okay? The other option, of course, is a convection oven where you wrap your item and then you put it in the oven for a couple of minutes, and that is where the heat is provided. So you don't want to use your regular oven. You need a dedicated convection oven, and they have those on the market as well. Then you're going to need a couple of other little accessories. Sublimation requires high heat. Things are very hot. You might put a mug or a tumbler in at 360 degrees for up to 3, 4, 5 minutes, okay? So you want to have some silicone gloves that are going to protect your hand, okay? High temperature tape, you will need that to secure the sublimation paper to your blank. So if you're wrapping sublimation paper around a tumbler to sublimate, you need to secure it very tightly to avoid getting wrinkles and air in there, which cause, gassing out and white areas. You need to secure it. So you're going to want some tape. Okay, other than that, you're pretty much good to go. You can get, rolls of paper. You can get different size paper. You can get different types of blanks, obviously. You need special sublimation blanks. But otherwise, besides the sublimation printer, the ink and your heat source and paper, when it comes to other things, it's gloves, it's tape, it's extra ink. You can add on these different types of add-ons for your sublimation, for your press if you want, okay? All right, all of that is what you'll need if you're wondering, oh my gosh, there's a lot of different types of paper out there on the market. What is the best sublimation paper? I have a video on that as well, comparing 7 or 8 different kinds in 3 different sublimation printers so that you can find the one that's best for you. But I'm gonna give you a little hint. This Pro Sub comes out to the cheapest price and the best color prints. If you guys are looking for more sublimation videos, continue watching this series on getting started with sublimation. And of course, if you need more help once you get your sublimation printer and the whole setup, make sure you check us out at Silhouette U for exclusive access to videos that I don't post anywhere else except Silhouette U, one-on-one help. We've got a community of Facebook community just for members. We have a priority inbox just for members. So if you're looking for one-on-one help getting started with sublimation, Silhouette, your other crafts or small business transfer printers and whatnot, check out Silhouette U. See you guys.